Hi, my name is Sonja. I'm the newest employee at the Embassy of Finland in Zagreb. I'm also the first one in our team that finished Elements of Artificial Intelligence online course. I have really good news for you. Finland will make the Elements of Artificial Intelligence online course available to all EU citizens this year, and it will be made available in all official EU languages. The objective is to train 1% of EU citizens in the basics of artificial intelligence, thereby strengthening digital competence within the EU. I welcome you to take the challenge and become a lifelong learner with this opportunity. The transformation of work and digitalization requires all of us to continuously develop our skills. So I'm encouraging everyone, regardless of age or educational background, to check it out. Tsemppiä!